Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through exactly how to upload your own fonts into Canva on both desktop and mobile so you can make your designs truly unique and 100% on brand. Whether you're working with a team or just want to stand out with a custom font, by the end of this video you'll know how to get your fonts into Canva and use them confidently. Let's jump right in. First up, let's talk about accessing your brand kit. In Canva, the brand kit is where you store things like your logos, your brand colors, and of course your fonts. It's like a style toolbox that's always at your fingertips. To start, head into any Canva design and click on Brand in the editor sidebar. Depending on whether you're on desktop or mobile, this might be in slightly different spots, but you're looking for that brand section. Think of this as your home base for anything to do with branding in Canva. Next, you'll see your brand name at the top. This is especially important if you manage several different brands. Maybe you're a freelancer with multiple clients or you just have various projects going on. If that's the case, use the brand name dropped in to switch between brands. This lets you keep all your assets organized so you never accidentally use the wrong font for the wrong client. It's the same idea as keeping your files in the right folders on your computer. Now under Fonts, you'll see a list of your available brand fonts. If you have only one or two, they'll show right up. But if you've uploaded several, just click on See All to browse through your entire collection. I love this feature because it keeps your workspace tidy even if you're someone who likes a lot of font options for different moods or campaigns. Here, just pick the font style you want to use, whether it's regular, bold, italic, or another variant you've uploaded. Canva lets you attach different styles to each font family. So for example, you could have Montserrat Bold and Montserrat Italic both associated with your main Montserrat font. This makes swapping between styles super quick as you edit your text. A couple of quick but important notes on limitations, just so you're not caught off guard. First, only team owners, administrators, and brand designers can upload fonts to a brand kit. If you're working with a team and can't seem to upload, you might need to ask one of those people for access. You can upload up to 500 fonts per brand kit. Honestly, that's a lot, so most people won't even come close to hitting that limit. Just make sure that whatever font you're uploading is licensed for embedding in third-party software. That keeps everything above board from a copyright perspective. Canva currently supports fonts in OTF, TTF, and WOFF formats. So if you're downloading fonts from the internet, double-check that your files are in one of those before you try to upload. Also, Canva doesn't support variable fonts yet, and you can have up to 18 styles for each font family, like bold, thin, italic, and so on. If you try to add more, Canva will let you know. And that's all there is to it. Now you know how to upload and use your own fonts in Canva's brand kit, whether you're on a computer or mobile device. This really helps keep your designs consistent and professional, and it's a huge time saver if you create lots of branded graphics. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's another Canva trick you want to learn next. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy expert tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.